Hi, welcome to Today in Physics.
Today, 21st February, is the anniversary of the deaths of Heike Kamerlingh Onnes, George Eli Hale and Osborne Reynolds.
Osborne Reynolds was a British engineer and physicist best known for his work on fluid dynamics and the study of flow regimes. He introduced the concept of Reynolds number, a dimensionless quantity used to predict flow patterns in different fluid flow situations, such as laminar or turbulent flow. His experiments demonstrated how fluid motion could be categorized based on this number, which became fundamental to understanding fluid behavior. Reynolds also made significant contributions to the theory of heat transfer and the development of the Reynolds equation in turbulence, laying the foundation for modern fluid dynamics and engineering applications.
George Eli Hale was an American astronomer renowned for his significant contributions to astrophysics and solar research. He is best known for discovering the magnetic fields of sunspots and for pioneering the development of large-scale telescopes. Hale constructed the first solar observatory at Mount Wilson, where he used the 60-inch telescope to study the sun's magnetic activity. He also developed the 100-inch Hooker telescope, the largest in the world at the time. His work on the Hale solar constant and the discovery of sunspot cycles laid the foundation for modern solar physics and heliophysics. Hale's innovations greatly advanced observational astronomy.
Heike Kamerlingh Onnes was a Dutch physicist famous for his discovery of superconductivity. In 1911, he observed that the electrical resistance of mercury dropped to zero when cooled to very low temperatures, a phenomenon now known as superconductivity. This groundbreaking discovery led to the development of the field of low-temperature physics. Onnes also pioneered the development of cryogenics, the study of materials at extremely low temperatures, and developed techniques to liquefy gases like helium. His work laid the foundation for advancements in superconducting materials, which are crucial in technologies like MRI machines and particle accelerators. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1913.
If today is your birthday, happy birthday to you.